Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 9 December 2021 and today's topic name is why string is immutable in Java. So in this topic we will discussing about what is string, what is mean by immutable and why string is immutable in Java. So let's start with what is string in Java. So in Java string is a generally, string is a sequence of character, but in Java, string is an object which represent the character sequence. This is known as the string. So, how to create string? There are two ways to create string: by using a string literal and by using new keyword. So, if we can use you can if you can create the string by using string literal, then this string will be this string object will be stored in the scp. Scp means string constant pool. And if we can create the string object by using new keyword, then this string object will be stored in the heap memory. And by creating the string object by using string literal, in this case JVM will first check string value will be present in the scp or not. So if the string value is present in the scp, then it will not create the new string object, it will return the existing string object reference. And if the string value is not present in the scp, so it will create the new object and return the reference of this new object to the string. So this is about the, let's discuss this with the simple example. If we can create the string yes by using string literal, and in string yes this is write welcome, so Java will first check the string value is present in the scp or not. So basically it is not present, so string Java will create the new object for the string yes and return the reference in the string yes. So and again we can create another string which is string s1 is equals to hello. So in this case it Java will first check the string value is present in the scp or not. So it is not present, so it will create the new object for this string and return the reference of the new object. This is about the string, creating string by using string literal. And let's discuss with by using new keyword. So if we can create the string by using new keyword, then it will be directly created the new string object and returns the reference of this new string object. So let's discuss why string is immutable in Java. So first discuss what is meant by immutable. Immutable means it can't be changed after creating. So in Java, if we can create the string, then string, why string is immutable means after creating the string object we can't change the value of the string object after declaring it. So what happen if we can perform any operations on the string by using implemented method? So in this case, if we can use concat method, so let's discuss this with simple example. We can create the string yes. In string yes welcome, and we can create another string which is string yes1. In string yes1 we can write hello. And if we can create string s2 is equals to string yes and string s1. So in this case what happened? So in this case string s1 and yes will be concat, and after concating this two string, the new object is created, and this new object reference will be returned in the s2. So it means string value doesn't change, it will create the new string object. This is about the because of that string is immutable. So if we can if you want to mutable string, then we can use string buffer and string builder class. In string buffer and string builder class, string is mutable means we can change the value of string in string buffer and string builder class. But we want to immutable string, then we can use the string. This is the all about the why string is immutable in Java. Thank you.